What is the author's main point? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph establishes psychological theories as an explanation for crime. The second paragraph talks about 3 theories, and the third paragraph talks about 2 other aspects related to crime. And the fourth paragraph says that no one psychological theory can explain crime. So the author's main point is that there are different psychological elements that lead to crime, and no one theory can explain crime. Let's look at the answer choices in that context. Answer choice A, the 5 theories reveal the main causes of all crimes. In the third paragraph, the passage says that there is no single explanation for crime and one should not assume that there is only one reason for the crime. So it cannot be established that crimes have a main cause. Also, this term all crimes is too extreme in nature. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, crime is a product of 5 psychological elements. The third paragraph mentions that the 5 elements combined offer appealing insights about crime. However, it cannot be established that crime is a product of these elements. A product would indicate that all these 5 elements are necessary for crime. The passage makes no such suggestion. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, there is always more than one psychological reason. The passage says that one should not assume that there is only one reason. However, it doesn't say that there is always more than one reason. Again, this answer choice, because of the term always, is too extreme. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, significant overlap among theories. Again, the third paragraph mentions that these theories, when combined, offer interesting insights, and one should not assume that there is only one reason. However, to indicate the overlap is not the main point of the passage. The main point of the passage is that no single explanation is sufficient in explaining crime. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, crime can be caused by many psychological elements and no single element can explain crime. Yes, this is what the mind map implies. Because the first paragraph talks about one explanation of crime through psychological theories, and then the next 2 paragraphs explain these theories, and the passage concludes by saying that no one theory can explain crime. So answer choice E aptly captures the main point. E is the correct answer.